Hello everyone, I want to welcome y'all back to my kitchen. So today we're making another Cajun dish. We are going to be making chicken and sausage in a red gravy. So this is another one of those dishes that brings back memories of growing up in Louisiana. So before we get started making this dish, I want to thank everybody for watching. For my new viewers, I want to say welcome. And remember, hit that like, share, and subscribe button. And ring that notification bell so you don't miss out on any upcoming videos. And to my current viewers, I want to say thank you for watching because you're helping me to keep my channel alive. So with all that out of the way, let's make chicken and sausage in a red gravy. For our chicken and sausage in red gravy, you're going to need the following: bone-in chicken thighs, Cajun sausage, oil, onion, bell pepper, celery, garlic, tomato paste, diced tomatoes, tomato sauce, chicken broth, Cajun seasoning, bay leaves, sugar, and optionally hot sauce. So the first thing we need to do is add our chicken thighs to a large bowl, and then we are going to add in our Cajun seasoning, and we're going to be really heavy-handed with this, so we're going to do about 2 tablespoons, and then we're going to give that a quick toss to make sure our chicken gets fully coated with our Cajun seasoning. So we've got our oil heated up over a medium-high in a large Dutch oven. So to this, we're going to add our sausage. And we're going to make sure this gets seared on all sides. And once that happens, then we're going to pull it off and set it in a bowl to the side, and then start with our chicken. So now that our sausage is done, we're going to go ahead and add in our chicken. And we're going to start this off skin side down. And we're going to sear this on all sides. And then once that's done, we'll move on to our vegetables. So now that our chicken has been seared on all sides, we are going to saute our vegetables. So we're adding to our pot onion, bell pepper, and celery. And we're going to saute this for about 5 minutes till the vegetables are soft. Alright, so our vegetables have been sauteing for about 5 minutes. So now we are going to add in our garlic, and we're going to just cook this for about a minute. Alright, so this has been cooking down for about 2 minutes. And so to this, we are now going to add in our tomato sauce. Our diced tomatoes. And go ahead and give this a quick stir. There we go. And our chicken broth. I'm trying real hard not to make a mess today, but we know how that's going to go. We're going to add in a couple of bay leaves, and depending on the size, well, these seem a little small, so I'm going to go with 3. And then just a little bit of sugar, which is going to cut the acidity of all the tomatoes, and I put in about a teaspoon. Give this a quick stir. Up, and there it goes. Now I'm wearing it. So now we're going to add back in our meat and any drippings that are in the pan, in the bowl or the plate. Let me get this out of the way real quick. So now this part is optional. I'm adding in about a teaspoon or two of hot sauce, and I'm using Tabasco. So now what we're going to do is we'll give this a stir, and we're going to let this come up to a boil, and then we're going to cover it and lower it to a simmer and simmer it for about 45 minutes to an hour. So this has been going about 45 minutes. So we're going to give this a quick stir and see how everything looks. So it looks good. Going to check our chicken, see if it's ready. Oh yeah. Whoops. There we go. Oh yeah. Chicken's done. So now what we're going to do is we're going to give a quick taste test, see if there's any seasoning adjustments that needs to be done. Perfect. So now what I want to do is I'm going to let this continue simmering uncovered for about another 15 to 30 minutes so that the gravy can thicken up a bit. So this has been going for about 30 minutes uncovered, and as you can see, our gravy has thickened up quite a bit. So what we're going to do is we've got us a bowl with some rice, and so we're going to get us a piece of chicken. We're going to get us some of this sausage. Dig out a little more sausage. There we go. And now we're going to grab us some of this gravy and pour it over our rice. Now that we're plated up, let's eat. So now that we have everything put together, let's give this a good taste. So we're going to mix up some of this rice and the gravy. Yeah. Tender and fall off the bone is the chicken. So we're going to give that a quick taste too. Oh yeah. This is really good. And if you know, yeah. Just the extra little bit of kick I needed. So, I want to thank everybody for watching. I really do hope y'all give this recipe a try. If you like Creole Cajun dishes, this will hit all the spots that you want to try. So, I want to thank all my viewers for watching, and I want to say welcome to any new viewers, and to remember to hit that like, share, and subscribe button, and then ring that notification bell. So, I hope y'all have a good day.